To read an astrology chart, start by locating your sun sign. Your sun sign, also known as your star sign, is determined by the position of the sun relative to the 12 constellations of the zodiac at the date of your birth. To find it, identify the correct range of birth dates on the chart and look at the associated sign. On a personalized birth chart, you should see a sun symbol in the appropriate space for your sign. For instance, if you were born between December 22nd and January 19th, your sign is Capricorn. If you were born between January 20th and February 18th, you are an Aquarius, and so on. Once you've determined what your sign is, check an astrology guide for further information on how your sign is thought to influence your personality. For example, Virgos are thought to be practical and hardworking, while Geminis have a reputation for being spontaneous, curious, and playful. While finding your sign is a good starting point, there are other factors that play into how you should understand your astrology chart. For instance, if you know the exact time and place of your birth, you can also calculate your ascendant or rising sign. Your ascendant is the sign that was rising in the east at the time of your birth. If you were born at sunrise, it'll be the same as your sun sign. Otherwise, check the 9 o'clock position on your birth chart to see what sign would have been rising at the exact moment of your birth. Your rising sign is thought to determine characteristics such as your personal appearance and your outward personality. From there, turn your attention to the different houses, which are the 12 segments of the chart associated with each sign. Depending on your time and date of birth, different planets will occupy each of the houses, influencing the various aspects of your life governed by each house. For example, if Mars was in the 11th house when you were born, an astrologer may interpret that to mean that you are a humanitarian who strives to find ways to help others. Reading a birth chart can be complicated, so consult an astrologer if you're confused about what it all means, or if you're interested in learning more advanced techniques, like understanding your lunar nodes.